So fancy badges here like MIT license. So there is called image shields, imgshields.io. You can go there and you can see what are the badges available. So that is one thing you can do. You can import GIF like this or anything like that. How the project is working, similar to how we added links, but there is this exclamatory sign before the square bracket. So that's the whole idea. Import some image, Aviyel image. My internet is too slow today. Let me take this image. So copy image address, the URL, and now I'm doing the similar way what I was doing. Can you see here? We got the image directly from the source, this one. So somehow we are getting through the markdown syntax. The API reference, which this is more important for any project. Simply you can what you can do is the same backticks, and what we have done is just the get request is trying to show. And yeah, so when you use this one, this is shift and here the enter. So I call it straight line on this. Yeah, you can say this as a straight line. This, what we call it?
Pipe.
Pipe, yeah, pipe. Yeah. So this pipe is the table, like you can say the border of the table. Just like imagine these as tables, and if you want the vertical lines, you need this colon and the hyphens. So this encloses the whole box. So you can see here what type and what parameter. You can give a nice description why this API is being used for what. And yeah, so that's pretty much about the API reference. You can start with emojis. Okay, there is something called emoji cheat sheet in GitHub. People use fancy emojis sometimes. You can use that one. These are readme emojis. This one. Readme emoji cheat sheet. If you type on Google, you get that one. So you can use these fancy emojis if you want to include in your repository. Yeah, so loading. Yeah, big category with list of what we call emojis. Okay, you can just use this one or copy paste. You can put both. So it's up to you. You can just copy here and you can paste. See this one, I don't want to use this emoji, but anyway. So that's all about how you want to structure and make your readme beautiful, because whenever someone new person gets into your profile, the first thing they observe is the readme of your project. So make sure you have all the necessities over there. How to make a table of content, like it means that how to actually navigate in your own empty file. So in page navigation we can do in readme. Let me see if it is updated over here. Table of contents. Where is table of contents? Let me remove what is not. Let me remove what is not needed. So this is just table of contents where you can navigate through different sections. Let me make another section like let me add here how to install. Again, I have added how to install. Two how to installs are there. Let me increase this one. I just want to make this page bigger so that I can show actually how it works. Yep. So demo isn't demo is not appearing now, but let's make it happen. So this is just like the front page of your book, right? Table of contents.
To create a perfect documentation, the software maintainer or software creator should express themselves to others about their product. So software documentation is very crucial for programmers. So it exists to assist software maintainers to understand a system and its entire processes. So, but in practice, source code documentation is quite costly, and which resulting in the documentation that is frequently incomplete and of very poor quality. So, software systems quality and usability can quickly the deteriorate the entire software due to the poor documentation. So it's really quite difficult to write good documentation because it requires programmers to guide other programmers or to guide other developers, and this difficulty creates a barrier between the author of the documentation and the reader of that documentation. So go to your GitHub repo. Simple as that. If you have any project, so if you are planning to create one project, so let's name this project readme demo. Let's make it private and let's create the repository. Now after that, simply copy command. And let's create one folder or create one random folder. Let's say inside the file. Let's create one file called readme.md. Yes. Now open this on Visual Code. So yeah, let's see my screen. Yeah. First step, let's push this readme file to the repo itself, so we can actually see what is happening. So let's say this is readme demonstration. Let's say and font is a little bit bigger. Let's add this. add a git. First we need to initialize it. Initialize the git. Let's add this file to the staging area and give some commit message. Readme add it, and after that simply paste the and boom, you're done successfully. So there are certain different ways to create list. So you can create list by, let's not highlight this list and let's insert some list. So list 1, this is list 2, this is list 3, and so on and so on. So this is how you make list in markdown. And I'm sorry, there should be back. So this is how you create a list, and after that let's learn about how to create unordered. This is an ordered list. So let's say heading 5 ordered list. Let's write some unordered list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unordered lists. For that, it's highlighting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is it? Yeah. So we've done if is here. Let's do inside this. This not keep highlight because it will display code. So this is the order list and this is the unordered list. Fix or S or whatever. So to insert link, you simply give a square bracket at first and you insert the HTTPS recently this is same like the hyperlink. So this won't show you the actual link, but after clicking this link you might get redirected to the actual link. So this is how you insert link. So for inserting image you simply write exclamation at first and square bracket and the image source. So this works as an alt in markdown. So this works as an alt in markdown. So let's try it out. Let's create one. There are two ways to add images. I'll show you both way. So first one, let's create an image folder. Let's get inside the image folder and let's add some images, right? Let's add some images there. Let's add which image? Give me 5 seconds. I'm searching for images. Article. Articles. Templates. Let's save and install. So add this image inside the, and let's try it out. So images slash the image name. Let's add it to 1.png. So 1.png. So boom, we have image there. And in this, just like in HTML, that it's mandatory to add alt inside an image, because in case of an if the image fails to load, that at least that readme file should display what that space allocates to. So simply this is, and simply write a meaningful alt. So this is an image of intro to JavaScript. So this is how you insert image. This is first step 1 or method 1. Second method is let's of inserting an image. There is one quick hack that you can add using the GitHub. So there is one trick that I want to show you. So go to your issue section of your GitHub, click on new issues, just wait for it, and now simply go to your drag your image and simply upload your image, and after that you get a link, and simply cut that link and you can simply paste that link. Now you can see that your image is being hosted on GitHub. So you can upload your image directly to the GitHub by following that method. Or if you don't want to follow that method, you can simply give a folder, add a folder images, and link that images to your readme. Simple as that.